Hi, I'm Roger Billings. We're here to talk about the Ericsson product that we're highlighting here at our SuperBroadband demo. So what we have is a Ericsson Cradlepoint E400. Outside we have a Ericsson Cradlepoint W1850 5 and a Starlink Gen 3. This is the Mini, but we have the Gen 3 outside. What we've got it set up is an active connection between the 1855 and the E400. They are both pulling in signal. And I just ran a speed test over here, which is giving me 500 down and 125 up. So the idea is I've got a ping running, and I've got a 4K video running over here as well. What I'd like to do is now break the connection. So I'm going to be really rough and just unplug the outside 1855. We'll notice it goes away right up here. So now I'm running primarily and only, if we look over here on our Smart WAN selection process, the current priority is the internal device only. So I'm going to actually turn off my internal modem, and we still haven't, we've dropped one packet, maybe two, but the video still stays up and running, and now we're back here, and we're running on, the Starlink was standby. In a couple seconds it'll flip over. This is just a video thing, so now it's red. We're running 100% on Starlink right now. And to show you that the T-Mobile connection was 500 and 125, we'll reload this. Run another speed test. And this is over Starlink, so not too bad, but not nearly as good as the 5G that we have on the network. So that'll be about 160, 150, something like that. 178 was the max. And then the upload, as we saw before, this is about a third of what we had in the past, or less.
That's amazing.
At that point, everything's failed over. We're running it exclusively on Starlink, and I can start plugging things back in. I'll turn the internal connection on first. It'll update, it'll connect fairly quickly. And at the same time, I'll plug in the external so it can come right back. So it'll take that captive modem, it'll recapture it, put it into the list. Now it's connecting on the internal, and this will change. I'll add an extra connection up there. So now I've got everything up and running. The internal 5G, this Ethernet WAN is coming up, and so now we have the captive modem coming up at the same time. And now I'll be back to where I was before, where I started, with 2 5G connections and a standby satellite connection.